Welcome to WebStyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to delete search history on Android phone completely. To do that, there are three different places that we need to clear on Android. Number 1, web browser. For most, it is Chrome web browser, but if you use different browser, clear history for that browser. Let's continue with the Chrome. Open Google Chrome web browser. Press three dots at the top right. Select Delete Browsing Data or select History. And from History page, press Delete Browsing Data at the top. This is where we can choose what to delete and in which time frame. In general, keep first three checkboxes checked and press Delete Data button. Press Delete button. This way, everything from the time frame you selected will be deleted from Google Chrome. Okay, number 2, clear history from Google app. To do that, go to Google app. Tap your profile photo at the top right. Select Search History option. You will see this page, Search Services History. Depending on your setting, you might have disabled it completely, or it might be turned on like this. In this case, from the bottom, press Delete button. Select Delete All Time. Press Delete button. It will delete all of your activity history and search history from Google app. So this is how you can clear history from Chrome web browser on Android and from your Google account. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.